everyone, let's get those pizzas ordered.
Oh, I love pizza for lunch.
Oh, me too. I love pizza. I ate pizza a lot back in Greece too.
What do you like on your pizzas?
I like pepperoni and lots of cheese.
I like black olives and green peppers.
Pepperoni and sausage for me.
I like everything. Sausage, pepperoni, green peppers, black olives, onions, ham, pineapple, even anchovies.
Okay, it looks like we're going to have to order at least 3 pizzas. Michael will order them, and we'll go get them. Keep painting, everyone.
What do you usually have for breakfast, Alexi?
My mom often makes eggs with tomatoes and peppers. I also have toast with jelly, and I have some juice as well.
My dad makes breakfast on Saturdays, so we often have pancakes with syrup. He makes delicious blueberry muffins. We have fresh bagels a lot, too.
Wow, my roommates are on a diet. We usually have fresh fruit, cheese, and orange juice. I'm getting really hungry now.
Michael, this is great. This pizza is delicious. How many pizzas did you get?
We bought 4. Hello?
Hello. Hey, Mike, it's Nick. I want to play basketball today. Can you play?
Sorry, Nick. I'm at my friend Monica's apartment right now. She and her cousin Angie and 3 of her friends are having a painting party.
A what?
A painting party. You know, a bunch of friends get together and paint their friend's house. We're listening to music and talking and eating pizza right now.
Well, if I can't play basketball, can I come over and join the painting party?
Sure, I guess so. Monica, can my friend Nick come over and paint with us this afternoon?
Sure, we could use the help.
Nick, meet me at the cafe. I can be there in 5 minutes, and I'll bring you to Monica's.
Great. See you.
Bye.
This is delicious pizza, don't you think? Here we are, me and my 6 friends. The furniture is all moved, and the room will be painted in a few more hours.
Uh-oh, I got paint on my arm.
Yeah, you do have a pink glob right there, but don't worry. I've got some on my cheek and it'll wash off with some soap and hot water.
Hey everyone, I'm really amazed at how quickly we painted this room. It looks really great too.
Yes, I think the color is really nice.
Yeah, we've got a lot done. But I think the paint smell is making me ill. The air in here is really bad, and we've been painting all day.
I have a great idea. Since everyone has been so nice to me and painted all day, why don't I take us all out to dinner?
Cousin, there are 7 of us. You saw how Sam and Jack eat. Do you really want to take us all out for dinner?
Yes, well, Micah was kind enough to buy us 4 pizzas for lunch. So it's my turn to say thank you. What would everyone like for dinner?
I want Chinese food. Chicken and black bean sauce.
What about that Greek place on the corner? I haven't had Greek food in a long time.
Or we could try something different, a kebab house. You know the place on the corner? We can go there.
For dinner, I like Spanish food. Paella and tapas would be great, but we can't find them in Istanbul.
Pizza for lunch was easy compared to all these choices. I think that I will pick